In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule WordPress database cleanup. Maintaining a clean and efficient database is essential for keeping your WordPress site running smoothly. Over time, databases can become cluttered with unnecessary data like post revisions, trashed posts, and spam comments, which can slow down your website. To prevent this, a regular cleanup schedule is indispensable. To start, you'll need to install and activate a plugin called WP Optimize. This tool is particularly useful because it doesn't just clean up your database. It also provides options for image compression and caching. To install the plugin, navigate to the WordPress dashboard and select Plugins from the menu. Click on Add New, and in the search bar type WP Optimize. Once you find it, click Install Now, then activate it. With WP Optimize active, you're ready to move on to the configuration. Next, head over to the WP Optimize settings. From your WordPress dashboard, you'll see a new menu option labeled WP Optimize. Click on it, and among the various tabs available, select the Settings option. Once inside the Settings area, look for the Database tab. This is the heart of the operation where you'll configure your cleanup tasks. Here, you can choose which types of data WP Optimize will target for cleanup. You can choose to remove redundant data like post revisions, auto drafts, trashed posts, and more. Tailor these choices according to your site's needs. Remember, it's a good idea to back up your database before performing any cleanup tasks, just to be safe. Following this, it's time to enable scheduled cleanups. Still, in the Database tab, look for the option titled Schedule Cleanups. When you enable this, you allow the plugin to automatically perform database cleanups at specified intervals, ensuring your database remains optimized without requiring constant manual intervention. Now, it's important to decide the frequency and timing for these automated cleanups. Click on the option to set the frequency, and you'll have choices like daily, weekly, or monthly cleanups. Base this decision on how frequently data accumulates on your site and how dynamic your content is. For most sites, a weekly cleanup strikes a good balance between performance and resource use. Once you've chosen how often the cleanup should occur, set a time of day for these operations to run. Usually, setting these tasks to execute during off-peak hours minimizes any potential impact on your website's performance. Finally, don't forget to click Save Settings. This is a crucial step because it activates the schedule you've just configured. Once saved, WP Optimize will handle the rest, quietly maintaining your database so that you can focus on creating great content for your visitors. And there you have it, a straightforward way to ensure your WordPress site runs efficiently with minimal manual effort on your part. Regular database maintenance keeps your site fast and responsive, enhancing the user experience while boosting search engine performance. Thank you for watching, and make sure to keep your WordPress site running at its best.